Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to customize the icons on iPhone with iOS 26. So here I have an iPhone with the new iOS 26. This is how it looks now, my icons. We have the liquid glass effect, and if you want to change the look of your icons, you can do it. For that, just press and hold on the home screen and now tap on edit, and here tap on customize. And from here you can change very easy the look of your icons. You can change it to dark, and here you can select always or auto. Also you can go to clear, and this is how it looks. Again, light, dark, and auto. And the last option is tinted. And from here we have some options. This is the first one, the second one, and from here you can choose the tint, and this is how it looks. Also we have light, dark, and auto. Okay, now let's go to the first one, to the default. Here you can change to dark or light, and the last option is to make the icons bigger, because we don't have anymore the tags. Okay, so this is how it looks without tags. So it is very easy in my opinion. Please leave me in the comment area what is your favorite look and what is your opinion about this customization. Also, I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.